Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS3 freezing problem using a safe and easy method. Place the PS3 on a flat table so you have clear access all around it. Make sure the PS3 is fully powered on, and you can see it freezing or slowing down. Now press and hold the PS3 power button until it fully turns off. Wait for the PS3 power light to turn solid red. Once the PS3 is off, unplug the power cable from the back of the PS3. Remove the HDMI cable from the PS3 as well. Gently unplug any USB devices connected to the PS3, including controllers. Now leave the PS3 unplugged for at least 60 seconds to fully discharge. While waiting, inspect the PS3 vents for dust buildup. If you see dust, use a soft brush to lightly sweep dust away from PS3 vents. Avoid blowing air directly into the PS3, as it may push dust further inside. After cleaning the vents, plug the HDMI cable back into the PS3. Reconnect the power cable into the back of the PS3. Do not turn the PS3 on yet. Instead, place your finger on the PS3 power button and hold it. Keep holding the PS3 power button until you hear the first beep. Keep holding until you hear a second beep. Continue holding until the PS3 turns off again. Now press and hold the PS3 power button again. You will hear one beep. Keep holding. You will hear a second beep. Keep holding until you finally hear two quick beeps. Once you hear those two quick beeps, release the PS3 power button. The PS3 is now entering safe mode. Connect a PS3 controller to the PS3 using a USB cable. Press the PS button on the PS3 controller to continue. A list of safe mode options will appear on the screen. Scroll to Restore File System using the PS3 controller. Select Restore File System and press X. Confirm the action to allow the PS3 to repair internal storage issues. Allow the PS3 to complete the restoration process. Do not turn off the PS3 during this step. Once the PS3 restarts, enter safe mode again the same way. Hold the PS3 power button until two quick beeps. Connect the PS3 controller again and press the PS button. This time select Rebuild Database. Press X to confirm the Rebuild Database option. Allow the PS3 to complete the database rebuild. This may take several minutes depending on your PS3 storage. When it finishes, the PS3 will restart normally. Let the PS3 reach the home screen. Move through the PS3 menu to check responsiveness. Launch a PS3 game you previously had freezing issues with. Allow the PS3 to run for a few minutes and observe performance. If the PS3 still feels warm, check again for dust in vents. Ensure the PS3 has at least 3 inches of space on all sides for airflow. Avoid placing the PS3 inside a closed cabinet. Keep the PS3 power supply connection firm and secure. Test additional PS3 games to ensure freezing is resolved. If the PS3 still freezes, your PS3 hard drive may need replacement. Many PS3 models use a standard 2.5-inch hard drive that can be replaced easily. However, most freezing issues are fixed by Restore File System and Rebuild Database. This process cleans corrupted files and reorganizes PS3 system storage. Your PS3 should now run much smoother and freeze far less often. If this helped you, make sure you like the video. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more PS3 repair tutorials. Drop a comment if your PS3 is working better now. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next repair guide.